Hi everyone and welcome to Nic Wes Home DIYs.
For this project, we're gonna refurbish a lampshade. So for this project, you're gonna need an old lampshade, printed fabric, scissors, Mod Podge glue, and a paintbrush. Let's begin by cutting out the prints on the fabric which you will like to use. Next, arrange the pieces in the layout you would want it to be. Smear a decent area of Mod Podge glue on the back side of the fabric pieces. Paste the fabric pieces in position and leave to dry. Pay special attention to cover up areas with existing holes on the lampshade. Once complete, you have a brand new lampshade.
Thank you for tuning in to Nic Wes Home DIYs. If you liked what you saw, give us a thumbs up and subscribe, or follow us on our social media channels. And don't forget to mark this date on your calendar for the next tutorial. See you next month!